I was just dusting it off, Your Majesty. It was standing there, and here I was, and, well, the first thing I knew, there it was on me. I have a letter for you, Your Majesty.
So, he'd like to be king. Dear Majesty, please be at home. I have orders to shoot you. Well, that's very nice. To shoot you? Guards! 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 Find Gabby and fetch him to me at once.
Put me down! You can't do this to me!
Release him!
Help! Please don't send me to jail!
There's nothing to be afraid of, Gabby. Now, how would you like to be king for a day?
I didn't mean to do it! King? Me? With a crown and robes? All kinds of things and stuff like that, Whoopee!
Now, you run things just the way you want to, Gabby, and I'll just sort of keep out of the way.
Well, now that I'm king around here, what do I do?
You just gotta have that 5 Gs.
Flash! According to Super, this brute becomes docile and exposed to your head.
You think? Where am I gonna get you?
We now continue our program.
I'll protect you, Lord.
That's no way to treat my little girl. We'll go in and sit down and have us a nice visit.
Nice little juicy duck dinner.
The experimental missile isn't lost. It's misguided. A misguided missile, as we in the military say.
Come and hear the
if it
pretty
explodes
music.
over your vegetable garden and a huge carrot grows, don't eat it because you'll grow to, the size of a farmhouse. And then, kaboom! Only I can disarm
You
the thing.
beautiful
But there's a
$5,000
$10 million
baggy-eyed
reward
slob.
to keep quiet about it. But that's top secret.
What a cinch. 5,000
$10
bucks for a
million
10-mile hike.
You ate my golden carrot! Give me back my carrot! Come back here, you good-for-nothing dog!
Oh, my. Oh, this must because I'm a wee bit taller.
Expand! Explode!
Give me back my carrot! Dog, there's $10 million inside Muriel, and it's mine!
Expand! Explode! Grow! Expand! Explode!
A four-leaf clover that I overlooked before.
Expand! Explode!
Could be finer than to be in Carolina in the morning when eyes are smiling.
Would you like a carrot? Is a carrot what you're wanting? I'll get you a carrot.
On moonlight days.
here?
My laser could also blow up
He's
Dingleberg's
gone.
house.
Hang
Maybe
on a second.
they got him.
I think our evil boy might be onto something here.
Gee, with no power, all the food in the refrigerator will spoil.
Built in
We
1948,
can't let it
is
go to
impervious
waste
to
now,
any
can
natural
we?
disaster, except for a huge lava flow. But what are the odds of
Door is
that?
stuck.
No, I didn't take everything out of the refrigerator. I left 2 trays of ice cubes and I think the light bulb.
Do something!
Now, honey, if Timmy wants to be
Odie,
evil
did
and
you
destroy
hear
the Dingleberg's
something?
house, and I say go ahead.
It's the monster come to get us.
Bye, Dingleberg.
Maybe I can get in the
You're
back.
gonna be as evil as possible.
Oh no! My mother is nothing without her
You're right.
makeup!
That is John's voice. Maybe the monster got him.
Without my eyeliner and toothbrush, I wish I could
Hello? Hello? The phone's dead.
I'm alive!
Which I guess
And
is
I
just
look
as well since I
fantastic.
can't talk anyway.
The deadly wave is gone and Timmy is back to normal.
And wait
The
till we get
monster's
those facts.
outside and he's got
Sorry, Mom
John.
and Dad.
This is no time to
Going through a
panic.
little phase, which is over for good because you're both such
I was
good
wrong. This is a
parents.
terrific time to panic.
He must be asleep.
Let's go
That
have
cat
some
can
ice
sleep
cream.
through anything.
Whatever you say.
I'll be right there as soon as I say goodbye to Dingleberg.
All of us.
Don't
Whatever
worry,
you
Odie.
say.
I have a plan. I know how to stop that monster.
Wait a minute. I just remembered I hid an extra key here.
Because you're so responsible. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm such a nag. Blah, blah, blah. Stop mugging me!
Filled our brotherly love meter yet. We have more bonding to do, and what better way to brotherly bond than by helping our neighbors?
Goodbye. Girls, wait.
I'm sure these nice ladies will have some chores for us to do.
So
Besides,
goody.
you haven't lost.
Whatever you are selling, I'm not buying. No, ma'am. My brother and I were hoping you had some housework that needs doing. You two look like a couple of weirdos, and I don't let weirdos touch my stuff.
You have what
Give
boys
it a
fear
rest.
most. Instead
Don't mind
of
her.
fighting,
Your boys can
try
mow our
being
kelp farm.
nice.
Mow is up by the tires. Careful.
We're always careful, ma'am.
People talking about.
Okay, little brother, you get the motor going, and I'll drive.
Good luck,
Hey, can we switch places?
That's cute, but you're not tall enough to work the controls. Now give her a good tug.
All right, whatever.
Are you okay? You were supposed to be careful.
Nice work. I did. Here's a shiny nickel, boys.
You're paying for this mess. Quit spoiling the
I'll be
marriage.
back, but next time
lousy
I will
nickel.
not be defeated.
Why, you decrepit
You will be defeated, and when
We're
you're defeated,
rich.
it is you who will have lost.
Okay, next we're gonna head down to the junkyard and play with the metal shredder.
No way! I've had it with your torturous activities. I'm... Wait a second. Where are we?
Right by the clown college. Why?
We have to get out of here right now. Come on, we'll take the long way home.
What's the matter? You're not afraid of clowns, are you?